In section 7, using controls and calculations. In video 1, we'll look at understanding controls. Dashboards have interactivity through filters, parameters, and action. These are used to slice and dice data, focus on an area or change of insight. Next, we're going to what is a filter. Filters control what is in view by slicing and dicing data and reducing the amount of data in view. This is basically saying reducing the number of records because you're segmenting. Filters can only be applied on a single field and at one at a time. Again, we've seen that in ours where we have one singular value for filter can apply only at one time. And to make a filter available to a dashboard, the filter must be visible in the worksheet. So it needs to be either on the screen, in the view, in the detail, or it can be selected from the worksheet filter options. Next, we'll talk about what is a parameter. A parameter allows for more than one field to be filtered and can be used to alter the fields in view or change a calculation. They are for the user to control the insight in view. We saw in our previous examples where we used the customer churn or the new business and the tooltip parameter. A parameter can be used for the following: linked to a calculation to show top or bottom index. Example, show top or bottom 10. Act as a placeholder field to allow user input. And then change a field in view by switching. This is when you use the parameter to allow the user to select a dimension either on the column or the row. Then you've got change a calculation, and we did that in our new business and churn. Change a calculation, example, change from a count to a sum. And then change the structure of data. Lastly, we look at what is an action. An action is a type of interaction and can be used for the following. So again, we use an action, we use as filter, we looked at dashboard actions and navigation. But this literally just provides a wonderful description. So you can click on a visualization, use as filter to change all in a view, or you can hover on a visualization to use as a view to filter to change all in a view. You can prompt a link to be clicked as a menu, a visualization to use as filter to change all in a view. So all this changing in a view is basically URL actions, filter actions. And then you can navigate from dashboard to dashboard, worksheet to worksheet, or worksheet to dashboard. As we saw, will be switched from the overview to the product dashboard. And then you could show a link to an internal or external website. The URL action allows you to not only choose things that are part of your Tableau pages, i.e. Tableau server, but also Google links. If you click on a map and you want to see the map in Google Images, in Google Maps, or you want to see an image in Google Image, it can allow the URL to be used. Hopefully, this description allow you to understand the controls better and allow you to make the right choice when you're using them.